is what is Jira, how to create account in Jira, how to create API token in Jira, connection establishment between Mulesoft and Jira. I guess uh, I guess everyone knows about Jira, but I would like to share few lines about it that would helpful for wider audience. Initially, Jira is a design as bug and defecting tool. In current agile process, Jira evolves into the power management tool, which can help customize your workflow and collaborate and release softwares like Bamboo. First, I will go through the documentation. Then, once done with that, I will show the demo. Yeah, here you can see how to create the Jira account. Use this URL to access the portal. If you are already having the account, just go for the login. Otherwise, you can create the account, or else you can go with the continue with Google or Microsoft account. Once done with your login, you can able to see the landing page like this. You need to click on the Jira software. Once you click on this one, you can able to see this next page. Here we have 30 days free trial account. You need to click on this one. It will navigate to the next page. Here you need to provide the mail id, work mail id or your personal mail. Yes, you need to provide it here, and you need to provide the site name. This is a base URI for the Mulesoft connector configurations. You need to remember this one. In the and next you need to click on the agree. It will set up everything. Next slide, we can see how to create project in Jira. Here we need to provide uh, project name and key. You need to select the template which one you want, and you can select the create project. Click on the select button, create project button, then it will create the project. Next, we can see the how can we create the API token in Jira. In the right side top, we have manage account. You need to click on the manage account. It will navigate to the next page. Here you can see security. Click on the security. You can see here create and manage API token. Click on this one. It will navigate to the next pop-up. It will get the pop-up like create API token. Here you need to provide a token name as a label. Then provide the label name and create the click on the create button. Then you will get it as a API token. You need to copy this one. We need to configure our API token in global configurations. Okay, this is the documentation. Now we can go for the demo. Yeah, first I will show you that how to create Jira account also. Yeah, here you need to click on the login. As of now, I'm creating new account to show that. Here I'm using some dummy mail. Give me a second. Or else I will go with the Gmail account. Yeah, you need to click on the Jira software here. You can click on the get it for free. Select the confluence and service management. As of now, I'm selecting this one. Yeah, this is the my mail ID. You need to provide the work site. It will check it is existing or not. We need to provide proper one. Click on agree. It will create the project. Sorry, it creates the account in background. It will set up the your Atlassian account. Meanwhile, I will create one more project. Here, click on, you know everyone about this one, like create project. As of now, I mentioned Jira demo. Still it's loading. Yeah, just as of now, you can skip this one. Yeah, you need to create the project. As of now, I mentioned that project name as a Mulesoft. That key is a Mule. MU. I'm creating the project here. I'm skipping these things. I don't want to invite anyone. Just continuing that. You can see I created project. This is the project I created. These are the roadmap. Yeah. Now I can show you how can we establish the connection between MuleSoft and Jira. You can see there is no Jira account here, Jira connector here. You need to click on the Exchange module. You can search for the Jira. You can add this one. Click on finish. Now you can able to see the Jira connector and operations. Okay. First I will go with the create issue. You can see we need to provide endpoint. Create issue. Click on this one. You need to configure the mail ID. So I'm using one more thing. We need to create API token. Click on this one. Click on the API manager. It will navigate to the next page. Click on the security. Here you can see create API manage token. Click on the create API token. You can provide whatever which one you want as a token name. As of now, I mentioned Mulesoft. Create token. Once you click on that, you will able to see the token. You can provide here. Copy. You need to provide the base URL. This is the base URL, whatever we provided when we are creating the account. You need to provide here. Click on the text connection. It will take some time. Give me a second. Give me a second. Yeah, now you can see text connection was successful. Click on OK. The create issue, just I mentioned the payload here. I'm sending the payload from the postman. I'm making as a JSON. Okay, I'm deploying the application. Meanwhile, I will set up the postman collection. I already created few of postman collections here. You can see this is my project key, Mule. Yeah, you need to provide the summary of the task. Just I will create user creation system CCAPI. rest of the things I'm not changing. Yeah, application was deployed successfully. I'm sending the postman request. I'm creating the issue. You can make sure this is a post method. This is the localhost 8081, and we need to check what was the endpoint we have. We need to copy this one. Yeah, I'm sending the request. You can see. Yeah, we got the 200 seconds status. Okay, you can see ID 10,000. This is the key. A task has been created with Mule 1. Now we can go to the Jira. You can see this is a project. The project. This is the one we whatever we created the task issue as we created. This is the issue user creation CC API. Okay. Next we can do the get issues. You need to provide the configuration. As of now, I am using same one. You need to provide the issue ID or key. Here we are using attribute start query params dot key. Okay. Can use transform message. You can convert into the JSON. Level connection and deploy the application. So now we can go to Postman. This is a get issue. We need to provide the key name here. This is a key name. Like you can see MUL1. Yeah, application has been deployed successfully. I'm sending the request. You can see we got the 200 status, and we can see these are the issue has been we created previously. You can see ID and everything. This is the ID project. Everything we are getting here. Okay. Next, we can go for the before going to the creating a flow here. What we can do? I will add few users here. I will create. I will invite team. something like not be. Ravish at gmail.com. Ravish at gmail.com. I added two people. Now I can go to this place, get all users, and plug this one here. Yeah, maximum results I mentioned 50 as of by default it's 50. I'm not changing this one. You need to give the configurations here, which you can whatever existing one we are using. Okay, next you need to add one listener. Yeah, all users. Make sure you can change it using transform message. You can change it Java to JSON. I can deploy the application. Meanwhile, I will check. Application has been deploying. Now I'm sending the request from the postman. You can see we got the 200, and this is a one my name. Like I created a I'm the admin. That's the reason I'm getting. You can see. Abhishek, you can see. Abhishek. These are the people I invited there. That's the reason I'm getting here. Okay. Next, we can go for the dashboards. Here you can see the dashboards. There is no dashboard. I will create the dashboard here. Mule, Mule team. I'm not providing to anyone. Just I'm saving this one. Okay. I just now I created the dashboard based upon the get all dashboards. I can able to get it or not. We can see get all dashboards. Here maximum results is 20. I'm not changing anything here. If you want filter, you can filter favorite and my. You can see if I go to this place, if I mention filter, here we can mention this star. This is a favorite one. We will get it only this one. If you mention my, everything we will get it. As of now, I mentioned the my. You need to select the configurations as of now what we are using existing one, and go to the and you need to configure the listener dashboard. Make sure We need to change that. Yes, and you know, then you can deploy application. The application has been deployed successfully. I'm sending the request from the postman. You can see we got the 200. Here you can see whatever we created the dashboard Mule team we are getting here. Okay, now we can go to the project. I can create one more project using Scrum. You can use this template here and mention Mule meetup. Yes, I'm creating project. You can see we have two projects here. Now we can get the all projects. Get all project. Just you can mention payload here. And I'm running the application. Application has been deployed successfully. I'm sending the request. You're able to see these are the we are getting 200. These are the product discovery. This is the software we are getting business. These are the business types we are able to see here. Okay. Next, last one I'm showing you. As of now, we have two projects. I can delete one project using Mulesoft. Can configuration you can select the as it is. Here we need to provide the project name. So I'm using the attributes dot query params dot key. can configure the listener. Delete. You can deploy the application. This is the project name. I can delete using the key. I can delete. You can see this is the is one of the project key. Mule is one of the project key. I'm going to delete the Mule. Application has been deployed. I'm sending the request from the postman. Yeah, we got the 200 status. Okay, now I can go to the Jira board. I can refresh the page. You can see now we have only one project. Okay, project has been deleted. Yeah, like this we can do a number of things using these are the postman collection. I will share with you this link. You can do which one you want, like notification, project, create screening, users, everything we can do. Okay, I'm sharing this URL with you. Thank you everyone. Thanks Ravi for this giving opportunity and supporting.
Yeah, thanks, Mani, for this wonderful session. Okay, so now we will go with QA session. Okay, so if anyone has any query related to this Jira ticketing tool and this connector, what Mani have explained, so you can feel free to ask, and we are happy to help you to resolve any query.
Anyone having any questions, just let me know.
Hi, Mani.
Yes.
Can you show me what are all the operations using the Jira tool, Jira connector?
Yeah, these are the operations. Like we have a number of operations like add comment, add field, add screen, add tab, add vote, watch, add comment, bulk create, bulk get groups. These are the existing operations we have. Create groups, create issues, delete comment, component. These are the existing one. We can for this one. This is the postman collection. I will already I sent in the chat box. You can refer that one.
So basically, this Jira connector is used to create the Jira tickets and retrieving the tickets, users, dashboards, right?
Yeah. Instead of doing manually, we can integrate with the Mulesoft.
Okay. Thanks, Mani. The
Yeah,
session.
so many times it happens like we need to like move this ticket from one system to like from Jira to another ticketing tool or maybe other system. Okay, so at that time this connector will help us to integrate with the Jira system. And you like in Mulesoft we have 200 plus connector for different system. Okay, so one way we have like we can call Jira API. So Jira provides their REST API also. You can integrate with Jira API also. But another way, which is easiest way we have, so we have out of box connector to connect with Jira system, and we can use this connector to perform different operation in Jira like create ticket, then like retrieve ticket. So like that we have multiple operation. And if I'm not wrong, then money it's a third party connector. Is this provided by Mulesoft or it's a third-party connector?
Yeah, provided Mulesoft itself. Like in the
Oh,
Exchange, we
provided
can.
by Mulesoft only?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So in
And
Mulesoft, we have many connector which is provided by third party. Okay, so be careful while using that connector. Like if you
yes.
will have any issue or any bug in that connector, then Mulesoft support team will not help. So you need to connect with that particular third party. Okay, so
Yeah,
whenever
Praveen.
you are using any connector, so go through documentation of that connector. What you will get in any point exchange, and then only use that connector.
Yeah, Praveen, I see your question. Because I am the admin right here, that's the reason I can able to delete the projects. Okay, uh, I need to uh, I need to give the access as admin. Then only everyone can delete. Otherwise, they can't delete. You can restrict like that.
No, so
Admin.
sorry. So what I'm basically trying to ask here is
Mm.
that you might have, your team members who are not supposed to delete. They are just supposed to update comments or create issues, right?
Yeah,
These are
we
specific accesses to that token, correct?
yeah correct. Like uh, when we go to the people, or suppose I'm your, or suppose we have something.
So, Praveen, I think that should be account specific. What kind of privilege that
Yeah,
account
we need to
has?
provide the like instead of, as of now I'm the admin, right? So I need to just I'm sending the request. Once they will accept this request, I can provide their designation. Like they can able to only access they can sprint like if you have any uh, task here, they can move forward to the in progress are done. In that way we can give the access. We cannot we have three types of access, but someone need to accept this one, then only I can show this.
Okay.
Can you show? Yeah, I will show you. Go to this place in the top right, click on your profile. In the here you can click on the API manager, sorry, manage account, sorry. You can click on the, here you can click on your profile, click on the manage account. It will navigate to the next page. Here you can click on the security. In the right side you can see create API manage token. Click on here, create API, some demo. Once click on the create button, it will create the token. Just you can copy this one. Ravi.
Yes. Yes. So we'll wait for 2 more minutes.
Yeah.
If we will have any query, then we'll take query. After that, we'll go for trivia part.
Does Jira connector need license? Yeah, if you want to run the business, you need the license one. As of now, this is the one license one we can consider because we are using 30 days free trial version, right? If you want to continue with after 30 days, you need to take the license. As of now, we are using 30 days free trial account.
Yes, for demo purpose, you can use this trial one. And like if you know, like Jira is a widely used tool if you are following this agile methodology. So most of the project use this Jira ticketing tool. There might be integration with other system, there might not be, but if you know this Jira tool, then again it will be some advantage with you. And if you know this connector also, how it works, what all capability it has, so in future, like if you need any integration, you can quickly do with the help of this particular Jira connector. Okay, fine then. Mani, you can stop sharing your screen.
I'm sharing my LinkedIn profile in the comment chat box. You can, if you want any question, if you have any questions,
Yeah,
just let me know.
if anyone will have any query related to this connector, so Mani already shared his LinkedIn profile, so you can make connection with him and you can ask your query. Even like in this Hong Kong meetup page, you can go and you can ask your query, whatever you will have. Anything else anyone want to know? So we have 2 more minutes for query, and then we'll go for meetup. Sorry, then we will go for trivia one. Okay, fine then. So we can go for our trivia part. So let me share my screen. I can see something in chat. Let me see first chat part. Okay. Okay. So let me know if my screen is visible.
Yes, Ravi, it is visible.
Okay, fine. So what everyone need to do, so wherever you are connected right now, be connected. It may be mobile or laptop, that's fine. But like what you need to do, you need to open kahoot.it. So you can see here spelling KAHOOT.it. Just open this URL in your mobile or other device. Okay, don't connect with same device, otherwise you may face some difficulty. Okay, so you need to open this kahoot.it, and then I'm giving you.
Yeah, I mean, given the URL in chat, you can take it.
Okay, okay. So this pin you need to use to enter this event, and after that it will ask your nickname. So please provide your full name. Full name is your actual name. Okay. So we can see Pratiksha is here. So we'll wait for 2 minutes. Take your time, and then enter in this event. what I can do. Let me stop the recording.